change out your ignition coils. I noticed that my bike, has been starting up a little funny. And once I start up my bike, the bike's RPM, stutter back and forth. I recently changed out my spark plug, so I know it's not the spark plugs, but we're gonna try to install these Yamaha ignition coils assembly. So these are straight from Yamaha. You can actually get these on eBay or Redzilla for like $60 a piece. So I have a 2005 R6, and I believe if you have the R6S's from 2006 to 2008 or 9, it should use the same part. So yeah, we're gonna put these on today, and hopefully that solves the problem. Stabilizer, you want to get that off first. And I wish I have a chest cam, so this has my point of view. But I'm using one hand right now. Use the seats, just like that. Set it to the side. So this just came off. It's connected to this little thing right here. Yeah, it tends to come off once you put your tank up. So yeah, the reason I'm doing this myself, like, I'd rather have a shop do it, but they would charge you, a shop's hourly is about like 110, 120 bucks an hour, and they'll probably charge you like an hour to do this. They could potentially charge you up to 2 hours just to do this. Realistically, you could do it by yourself. Oh shit, you could do it by yourself in about under an hour. So even though you're a beginner, it should take you about an hour. Stuff the hole so nothing falls into it. Make sure you unscrew that bolt right there. I think it's actually easier if you took off the whole tank too. So I think I would do that instead. I'm using a wrench. This out. Oh. There's 2 tabs on this side and on the other side. So I just figured this out. I'm gonna have to press onto it and pull it out. Okay, now. Okay, you gotta pull. Oh, that's the fuel. Okay, I didn't know that holds the fuel too, but now I do. I mean, I guess it says it right there, but first time doing it. We finally got the tank off. Yeah, it's better if you do it on a near empty tank, but of course I didn't learn my lesson, and this is pretty full. Now we have better access to this now. Barely can fit. Got it. Alright, let's move it down. There you go. Yeah, just go ahead and pull that out. Go. Okay, my thing is closed, so I guess we don't still stuff it just in case. Take it off. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4 all the way back there. Of course, these two are a little easier to take off. Make sure you unplug them in the same sequence. Well, that's at least what I heard from other people who had done it before. You guys do want to be careful. There are sharp parts like these that are bound to scrape you. That's why this is pretty much a bitch to do.
I'm here. I'm done with you. I don't think so.
Let's get the first spark plug out. It is grimy in there, so I think I'm pretty much long overdue for ignition coil change. There is the new one, straight from Yamaha. Inside is, clean, as you see. But yeah, this one's pretty much worn out. Even though it looks good, it could be a bad coil that causes your misfires on your bike. If you haven't changed them out in a while, I recommend you to change them. Wiggle and pull, wiggle and pull. There you go. That's the second one I came out. So. Yeah, take a look at this second one. Sit. Sit. Stay. 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 Okay. Alright, let's get to the third one. The hardest will be the last one. Oh, shake. Maggie, sit. Ah. Let's drop my camera. Let's see. It's a pain in the ass to get it out. Finally got the third one out. Whew. Okay, I found a trick for the middle two. So as you can see, there's marks on it. Yes. Clamped it and moved it around and yanked it out. Yeah, or else your hand's gonna get fucked up. Wait, this one is actually way worse. Sorry you can't see it, but very dirty. Yeah, I'm not sure when the last two owner changed them. Probably not in a while, so I think for the fourth one I definitely had to use a wrench to take it out. The last one is in there, and I'm gonna try my technique. Because there's no way I would be able to get this out with my hand. There's no way. It's too small. This thing's blocking it. This is the life changer. It's so much easier. Saves your hand. So we finally got the last plug out. Let me disconnect it. There we go. All the old plugs in with the new. And we're ready to install these. We'll work our way backwards. All right. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll put them in 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure it snaps into place. I'm gonna do this with my hands because I want to make sure it goes in all the way. Gotta make sure it's snug in there. Okay. Yeah, it's good to me. Okay. Let's pop the new one in right there. It's a little hard to see, but you can see that one's in. Yeah, just make sure it pops in very snug. And then, of course, got the plug in. We got 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Put it 4, 3, third one in, and then we get the second one in, and then 2 more, and we're done. Hey, where'd the thing go? Okay, just pop the last one in. As you can see, all in order. Yeah, hopefully this works after I put everything together. So yeah, make sure you press really down on it. You should hear like a slight, not really a click, but you will know that it's snug. And it's okay for it to move around like that, but yeah, just make sure you press it all down so you don't have to take apart everything again. Yeah, I will see you guys when I put it together. Hopefully it starts back up. Started the bike back up.